So really excited about the new XT range. It feels like it's really filling that technical hike range, and it's really high performing gear. So it's been amazing for me. I've been lucky enough to test it for the last 6 months and really put it through its paces. It's held up really well, so I'm just super happy with all of the kit. The great thing about the XT range is it's a modular system, so built from head to toe, so you are kept warm, it regulates body temperature, and every fabric has a real purpose. So right from the down jacket and then into the Octafleece lining, the rain pants and the jacket just allow you to build. Every key piece in this XT range has a real clear defined purpose, and I just love the way it feels. It's silky, it's smooth, you just put it on and it feels great. So not only does it feel great, but it performs to a really high level. The team took me through all the early iterations of what they were trying to develop and design in terms of filling a gap for that technical range. A lot of what we do now is technical kind of fast packing, and a lot more people are after lighter gear which is still warm and your ability to carry it. I feel really grateful to have gone through this process with the team and actually really understand the uses. What I love about Kathmandu and their team, they're really future focused. So the products that they're bringing out and we're seeing are really at a high level, and they've designed with the future in mind. I know how much effort and how much heart and soul have gone into these pieces, and I truly just adore them, and I just can't wait for everyone else to get their hands on them.